coffee. Yes.
Hey, how's it going?
Good.
Great. Well, we're just sister missionaries from the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Have you heard of that church before? It's exactly how I do it.
Okay, now I'm gonna mimic how Sister Wiley really is on the doors. Okay. I have to tell you something later. She moved her eyebrows. Okay. Yes.
Hi. Are you having a good day?
I guess you could say that.
We're just because we have a message that will bless your family. Have you ever heard of Mormon.org?
You're not talking like that.
Well, you're in the middle of dinner. So, is there a better time to
Can I mimic yours? Yeah. Oh, a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, huh? Wait. You're out of focus.
Man! Oh, crumb.